Hi friends, today we're going to make a sensory table. You can use a tray, you can use a container, you can use a shoebox, anything you have to put things in. You can use cotton balls, you can use rocks, shredded paper, rice, corn, sand, cornmeal, anything you can think of, and put it in a container. I have cotton balls here right now, and then I have some transportation vehicles. I have a truck, I have a dump truck, I have a pusher, I have all kinds of, I have a boat, and you can just do things in the tray and just have fun with it. I would probably open the rocks and just kind of slide across. You can pick some up with this one and push them into the dump truck. Just explore, get your hands moving, get them moving inside the containers. Have lots of fun with it, friends. Bye.